In last week's video I had my new GoPro Hero 10 mounted to my front fender and took some footage. The angle is very interesting, quite unusual, but a lot of people commented that it made them feel sick, and I agree. So I'm not going to be using that angle much. I'll use it maybe occasionally, but this week I've got the camera mounted to my helmet, and it'll be interesting to see how the footage compares to my regular GoPro Hero 5 sessions. The weather today, I think it's going to brighten up later, but right now it's misty. It's kind of cool, but maybe an unusual look on video. Hasn't started well. At the beginning of the ride there's a small jump onto a rock, and I've done it before, no problem, landed on the rock on the rear wheel, no problems, but today I landed a bit badly, and I got a pinch flat, and the rear is tubeless, and you can see I plugged it here and that worked fine, but unfortunately there's another puncture just behind the rim here, and I can't plug that, so I'm riding with a completely flat tire. Thankfully the inner tubeless tube is not punctured, so it's holding onto the bead, and I'll just have to ride today with a flat tire. Luckily this area is pretty low speed riding, and it rained overnight, so traction is awesome with this tire, but just need to be careful on rocks and the higher speed riding. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah.
At least you had your GoPro on?
Yeah, I did. I think that'll be the ending. Oh, that was terrible. Right, another go.